Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Credit Karma account. This only takes a few minutes and lets you track your credit score, accounts, and financial information for free. First, open your web browser or the Credit Karma app and go to creditkarma.com. Once you're there, tap or click on the option to sign up or create an account. Next, enter your email address and create a password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you'll remember. Then continue to the next step. After that, you'll be asked to enter some basic personal information, like your name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Credit Karma uses this information to securely pull your credit data. Once your information is entered, review the terms and conditions and agree to them to move forward. Credit Karma may also ask you to answer a few identity verification questions to confirm it's really you. After completing verification, your account will be created, and you'll be taken to your dashboard. From there, you can start viewing your credit score, linking accounts, and exploring all the features Credit Karma offers. And that's how you create a Credit Karma account. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.